Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in beauty and personal care products.
Today, we have an exciting review lined up for you, focusing on what we believe to be the best rose water spray for Locs available in the market. Introducing the Heritage Store Rosewater Spray, a hydrating mist designed not only for your skin but also for your hair. With its natural ingredients and rejuvenating properties, this spray has gained quite a reputation among beauty enthusiasts.
Let's dive into what makes this rose water spray stand out from the rest.
Firstly, it's important to note that this spray is made with pure rose water, free from any dyes or alcohol.
This means you're getting the full benefits of rose water without any harsh additives. Customers rave about its versatility.
Not only does it leave your hair feeling soft and moisturized, but it also has a refreshing and uplifting scent that lingers throughout the day. With its hydrating and soothing properties, it's no wonder this rose water spray has become a staple in many beauty routines.
Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, making it a conscious choice for those who prioritize ethical beauty products. Whether you're looking to refresh your skin throughout the day or add a boost of hydration to your hair, the Heritage Store Rosewater Spray has you covered. Simply spray liberally on face and hair whenever you need a pick-me-up.
In conclusion, if you're in search of the perfect rose water spray for your locks, look no further than the Heritage Store Rosewater Spray. With its natural ingredients, refreshing scent, and hydrating properties, it's sure to become a staple in your beauty routine. Don't just take our word for it, give it a try and experience the difference for yourself.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.